Hi, I'm Diane Dixon, Mayor of Newport Beach, and I'd like to invite you all to come out to our beautiful public art sculpture garden. 14 acres of beautiful open space filled with walking paths and artwork.
Los Angeles artist David Buckingham has assembled coated scrap steel into the colorful Spy Boy, an idol-like figure with its oversized head and ritualistic stance. He calls viewers from far away to come closer and appreciate his ingenious construction.
The City of Newport Beach is very proud of the sculpture garden, and it's for all to enjoy, from art to rabbits. Please come and enjoy the ocean view scenery and beautiful art. Thank you.